In this video I will show you how to save 200 euros by the parking fine, because in Canarias you have to park motorcycle on the correct spot. So let's find out some good spot for motorcycle, because apparently this is not correct. Our recommendation is always to park in motorcycle bay. If you park on the sidewalk, between the cars, or in other different place which is not dedicated for motorcycle parking, you can get fined up to 200 euros. So it's always better to have a safe spot for your bike. So the parking rules for motorcycles in Canary Islands, especially in big cities, are quite simple. You have to park inside the motorcycle base. Depending on car, it could be blue, green or white, but it's always for free if it's parked like this. Like this sign, which says in Spanish that it's for free. If you are in the mountains or in a small village, obviously the rules are a bit more relaxed, but it's always better to ask locals if you are not 100% sure that you can park there. Another option would be to park motorcycle inside building like this. This per minute, so it's not really the best option. O una semana, por ejemplo.
Una semana 60.
60, vale. Ah, aquí no podemos aparcar moto. No, ni una semana. Usually they don't allow the motorcycles. It depends, you can find someone who allows, and the price could be 15 euros per day or 60 euros a week.